Welcome to our newest listing at 4220 Moss Drive in Carmel, Indiana. This beautifully updated 4-bed, 2.5-bath home features a spacious lot, large deck, outdoor grill station, and much more. You will find built-ins, crown molding, and trim work throughout the home. The updated kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and new cabinetry. This floor plan offers flexibility to fit your lifestyle. A new HVAC system, sump pump, water heater, windows, roof, storage shed, and siding are just some of the recent updates. The main suite has a gorgeous custom tile shower, and 3 additional bedrooms round out the upper level. It's located on a quiet street close to the Woodlands community park, pool, and tennis courts. Carmel's best shopping, dining, and adventures are nearby. Explore Flowingwell Park, local theaters, and enjoy sweets at the famous Cake Bake Shop. Listed at $419,000, contact us for info or a showing.